Today, we're taking a closer look at some of the most amazing Kreg tools every woodworker should know about. Whether you're building furniture, tackling home improvement projects, or just love working with wood, these tools are designed to make your work faster, easier, and way more precise. So grab a seat in the shop because by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new wish list of tools that can seriously upgrade your workflow and results. Let's get into it. Kreg stopni pocket hole driver. Working in tight or awkward corners can be a real challenge, especially when you're trying to drive screws with precision. That's where the Kreg 90-degree pocket hole driver becomes your go-to tool. Its compact, low-profile design lets you access spaces that would otherwise require awkward hand positions or a completely different setup. It attaches effortlessly to any standard drill, even impact drivers, making it incredibly versatile. Just install the included 3-inch square drive bit, lock it in, and you're ready to tackle those tough angles with complete control. What really makes it stand out is the secure locking system that eliminates slippage, so you can drive with confidence knowing your bit will stay in place even under torque. It's a simple solution to a frustrating problem, and it makes a huge difference. Kreg project blocks. At first glance, the Kreg project blocks might seem like simple plastic pieces, but they're actually a powerhouse of functionality for your workshop. Each block lifts your workpiece off the table's surface, which helps with a variety of tasks, from painting and sanding to cutting and gluing. They're designed to support up to 200 pounds per set, giving you confidence to place large panels or boards without worrying about stability. And here's where it gets clever. Twist the blocks to reveal retractable painting points, allowing you to elevate your project while keeping the contact minimal. Perfect for getting even paint coverage without sticking. Made from durable materials that withstand job site abuse, these little blocks save you time and frustration. Plus, they're compact enough to store anywhere, and they stack neatly when not in use. Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 520 Pro. Whether you're in the workshop or working on site, the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 520 Pro offers a level of flexibility most jigs just can't match. Its ultra-adaptable design lets you clamp it directly to your project or work surface, so there's no need to set up an entire jig station. The standout feature is the 360-degree Versa grip handle, which rotates smoothly, allowing you to find the most comfortable and efficient position for drilling. It's equipped with GripMax anti-slip material, which securely holds the workpiece in place to eliminate unwanted movement during drilling. Whether you're working on a horizontal, vertical, or angled surface, the 520 Pro adapts to your workflow and ensures precise, repeatable pocket holes every time. Kreg Quick Flip. The Kreg Quick Flip is exactly what it sounds like, a smart, time-saving tool that flips your workflow into high gear. It allows you to drill a pilot hole and a counterbore in one seamless step, using Kreg screws to create strong, hidden joints in your woodworking projects. It fits any drill and is rated for use with impact drivers, meaning you don't need to change tools halfway through a job. Its double-ended insert and quick-release collar allow for smooth, one-handed operation. Just flip it around and continue working without interruption. Ideal for face frames, edge joining, and furniture repairs, it helps you get professional-looking results in less time and with fewer tools on your bench. Kreg Inline Clamp. When you're assembling pieces that require a tight hold but don't want bulky clamps getting in the way, the Kreg Inline Clamp is the perfect answer. Its sleek, low-profile body allows it to sit flush within your work surface while applying lateral pressure to hold your materials together. The peg base fits neatly into any standard 3/4-inch bench dog hole, keeping it secure during use. A large, textured dial lets you apply just the right amount of pressure without tools, and it's easy to adjust for different material widths. From edge joining boards to holding components in place during glue-ups, this clamp is like a silent assistant that doesn't need brakes. Panel Carrier. Hauling large sheets of plywood, MDF, or drywall on your own can be awkward and risky, especially without a solid grip. That's where the Panel Carrier earns its place in your shop. This deceptively compact tool clamps onto sheet materials, giving you a strong, balanced grip without putting strain on your hands, wrists, or back. The rubberized jaws prevent slipping and protect your material from scratches or damage, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort and control. You simply position the carrier, clamp it, lift, and walk. It's that easy. Perfect for solo builders, it turns a two-person job into a one-person breeze, giving you independence and efficiency. Kreg Wood Project Clamps. Reliable clamping is the backbone of any good woodworking project, and the Kreg Wood Project clamps deliver exactly that. Available in multiple sizes, they feature wide, flat clamp faces that distribute pressure evenly across the surface, preventing denting or marking. Their standout feature is AutoMax Auto Adjust technology, which adapts instantly to different material thicknesses without needing to stop and readjust manually. Whether you're assembling cabinets, gluing panels, or installing joinery, these clamps hold your workpieces firmly and consistently, letting you focus on the craft, not the setup. Kreg Mobile Project Center. Imagine having a full-featured workstation that sets up in seconds and moves wherever you need it. That's the Kreg Mobile Project Center. Designed to be more than just a portable table, it serves as a workbench, clamping station, sawhorse, and tool storage hub all in one. It folds open quickly, locks in place automatically, and includes a lower shelf to store materials, power tools, or project pieces. Integrated bench dog holes and clamping accessories give you full flexibility to hold workpieces from any angle. If you're working in a garage, driveway, or temporary space, this center transforms any area into a productive workshop instantly. Kreg Drill Guide. We've all had moments where we rush a drill job and end up with a crooked hole. The Kreg Drill Guide is the answer to that all-too-common problem. Designed with precision in mind, this compact guide features hardened steel drill guides set at fixed angles, ensuring a perfectly straight hole every time. It also features Grip Max material on the base to keep it from sliding around, even on slick surfaces. Its ergonomic shape fits naturally in your hand, offering better control during fast-paced or repetitive drilling tasks. Whether you're installing hardware, creating dowel joints, or working on jigs, this tool is a small investment that saves you big time and effort. Kreg Portable Crosscut. Cutting straight lines with a circular saw isn't always easy, unless you have the Kreg Portable Crosscut. This tool allows you to make fast, clean, and repeatable 90-degree and 45-degree cuts on boards of any size. It's built from impact-resistant polymer, so it can take a beating, and it features a cut line indicator to show you exactly where the blade will go. Thanks to the Grip Max backing, it stays put during cutting, giving you smooth and accurate results without the need for clamps or measuring tapes every time. Perfect for quick trim work, shelving, framing, and countless DIY applications. This guide turns your circular saw into a precision machine. And that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which Kreg woodworking tool stood out to you the most. Thanks for watching. See you next time.